Hey guys, it's Girl with Heart Nya, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a subtle spring look. Love this. It's going to be super simple, but it's going to pop. I can't wait, and let's get started. The products I'm going to use today are first the Just Shine Rainbow Body Shimmer palette. It has this cool thing at the top, like a little, what is it called? Like glitter in a container. And when you open it up, it has like the highlighter or the eyeshadow, whatever you want to use it for. Have that. We have the Just Shine Sparkle Brighter 4-piece makeup brush set. Pretty cool. And the Just Shine Rainbow Berry flavored sheer lip gloss. We're gonna go ahead and get started with this simple spring look. We're gonna start with the Rainbow Body Shimmer palette, little, what's it called? Eyeshadow or blush or highlighter, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna go in with this flat brush. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna take it and I'm going to apply it to my lid all over. It's very pigmented, which is nice. And I'm going to apply it all over my lid. Now, realizing that it's this pigmented, and it's getting in my eye. So realizing that it's this pigmented, I'm going to kind of take some away with my finger because this is a simple spring look and just give that blue tint rather than the blue eyeshadow look, if that makes sense. And just make it a little bit more sheer. Okay, so I'm actually gonna use this as a highlighter. This is like really pigmented, so I'm just gonna dap it a little bit and then put it on my cheeks. Super sheer. It's pigmented, but I'm only using a little bit, so it's gonna make it a little bit more sheer since this is a simple spring look. Okay, so I used a little bit of that as a little bit of highlighter slash blush. Now I'm going to, I wanna do something with this angled brush. We can make a liner. Sure, why not? So I'm gonna use the angled brush to intensify, which means add more color to my lash line. To make it look like a fake liner, a fake blue liner. There we go, we just created wing eyeliner with eyeshadow. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply this lip gloss. I'm going to take some of this, it's super pink, and I'm going to put this on. This is super sheer. Wow, this is actually really pretty. It goes well with the blue. I thought it was gonna be super pigmented when I first put it on. And when you blend it out, it looks really sheer. Just a pretty pink. I want to try out all these colors, but I can't because they're layered. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed my little tutorial here. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the Justice channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.